Welcome back. The gunfire is silent, but Charlotte is grieving. 4 coffins, 5 days. North Carolina, April 29th, 2024. A quiet cul-de-sac on Galway Drive is about to explode into the deadliest police ambush since 2016. 1:50 p.m. 8 unmarked vehicles roll in to serve a firearms warrant on 39-year-old Terry Clark Hughes Jr. Officers knock, no answer. They stack on the porch. And then, rifle fire erupts from an upstairs bedroom window. 8 officers are hit in seconds.
County units, be advised, multiple officers down. We need medics on Galway now.
4 will never come home. CMPD officer Joshua Eyer, corrections officers Sam Poloche and Alden Elliott, and Deputy U.S. Marshal Thomas Weeks Jr. So, who is Hughes? A convicted felon who skipped court 10 days earlier, hoarding an AR-15 style rifle and a .40 caliber pistol.
I'm hit. Neck. Shoulder. Cover fire. Cover fire.
More rounds shred cruiser windshields. Glass rains on the street. Pinned officers pull the wounded behind an SUV. Radios crackle. Officer down. Officer down.
This was an unprovoked ambush. The worst day for Charlotte law enforcement in decades.
2 blocks away, CMPD SWAT hears the call and floors it. An armored bearcat roars onto the lawn. Hughes thinks a window can stop .50 cal a plate. It can't. 2:05 p.m. SWAT breaches. Hughes steps onto the porch, raises his rifle, and drops. Threat ended, chaos remains. Tringth. In 20 minutes, over 100 rounds are fired. But rumors swirl online. Was there a second gunman? Forensic examiners recover every casing. Every one matches Hughes or the officers returning fire. No friendly fire, no mystery shooter. Stay tuned. Part 2 reveals the heroes, funerals, and the lessons departments are racing to learn. Welcome back. The gunfire is silent, but Charlotte is grieving. 4 coffins, 5 days. Bagpipes echo down Tryon Street, while cruisers idle in blue and red salute.
He texted me, "Love you, be safe," before every shift. I thought I'd get one more.
Lord, grant these officers eternal rest, and let perpetual light shine upon them.
Officer Joshua Eyer, 31, 6-year CMPD veteran. Deputy Marshal Thomas Weeks, 48, father of 4. Corrections partners Sam Poloche and Alden Elliott, brothers in arms known as the Twin Towers.
Their sacrifice reminds us evil never wins when guardians stand the line.
Could this ambush have been prevented? Analyst, break it down.
3 failure points. 1, intel. Hughes's mother warned he'd been watching the street with binoculars. That report never reached the task force brief. 2, visibility. Second-story windows, midday glare. Drones would have spotted the barrel. 3, armor. Level 3 plates stop pistol rounds, not rifle. Charlotte upgrades to level 4 the very next week.
Of course. The Bodycam that shows the first burst? Locked behind a judge's order. Critics cry cover-up. Survivors call it mercy.
Transparency matters, but protecting the families matters more.
Policies change. CMPD now flies a micro-drone over every knock and announce. SWAT doubles medical gear. Command rolls out virtual reality ambush drills citywide.
Nationwide, 21 officers killed serving warrants since 2019. Lessons here will echo far beyond North Carolina.
And yet, courage remains. Every badge on Galway Drive stepped forward knowing the risk and went anyway. Honor them. Tap subscribe, ring the bell, and watch our next Police Protectors episode, the Jamal Mitchell Bodycam out of Minneapolis. Drop a comment. If you ran warrant service tomorrow, what changes first? Stay safe and stay curious.